You've seen the ocean, you haven't. 95% of it is in permanent darkness. The ocean has zones, and they're defined by light. The photic zone, 0 to 200 meters. Sunlight penetrates, photosynthesis works. But sunlight fades fast. Red disappears in the first 10 meters. Yellow at 50, green at 100. By 200 meters, only faint blue remains. This is where the photic zone ends, and where nothing that lives below can photosynthesize. Below 200 meters, the twilight zone, then the midnight zone, 1,000 meters, then the abyssal zone at 4,000, Danidinzai. Then the Hadal trenches, below 6,000 meters. At 300 meters, sensitive instruments read 0 photons. Darker than the darkest cave, darker than any night sky. This dark is not metaphor, it is absolute. Only about 5% of the ocean has ever been explored. Much of it remains in darkness, beyond the reach of sunlight. Tiwi, and most of what's alive on this planet, lives down there. For everything that lives below 200 meters, the sun exists. There is no dawn, there is no dusk, there is no sky, but there is life. Life that never once has seen the sun. And it's not just alive, it's abundant. You look into the dark, and the dark begins to blink, because this is not empty dark. This is the living dark. In this dark, life did something that changed everything. It invented its own light, not once, 27 separate times. Dozens of independent evolutions across the tree of life. Bacteria evolved it. Dinoflagellates evolved it. Jellyfish evolved it. Siphonophores evolved it. Fish evolved it. Cephalopods evolved it. Arthropods evolved it. Everyone on its own, from scratch. The chemistry is simple. 2 molecules, luciferin, the fuel, luciferase, the enzyme. React them with oxygen. Photons come out. Cold light, no heat, almost no energy wasted. It's the most efficient light source on Earth, and every glowing lineage figured it out separately. This isn't coincidence. This is convergence. When 27 separate lineages evolve the same trick, Shani. It means the environment is demanding it. The dark demands light, so life makes it. 27 times, and they've been doing it for 500 million years. In the dark, light is language. It signals, it defends, it hunts, it mates. First use, signaling. Dinoflagellate blooms flash when disturbed, in your cow. The flash tells other cells, predator, here. The predator, illuminated, becomes visible to its own predators. Light is warning, light is defense by attraction. Second use, defense. Deep-sea shrimp release luminescent clouds. The predator chases the glow, the shrimp escapes. Some octopus species do this too. Bioluminescent smoke bombs, millions of years old. Third use, hunting. Female anglerfish grow a glowing lure above their mouths. In the dark, curiosity is a fatal instinct. The prey investigates, and the light goes out. Dragonfish emit red light. Most deep-sea creatures can't see red. They see the prey doesn't see them. Fourth use, mating. Firefly squid use synchronized bioluminescent flashes, though the exact role in mating is still being studied. In Japan, they bloom by the millions. Whole bays glow blue. Ostracod crustaceans flash rhythmically. Each species has its own signature, asserting to inai anti-recharge. Signaling, defense, hunting, mating. In the dark, light isn't decoration, it's how life talks. Now, the number that changes everything. Studies suggest that a large majority of deep ocean species, some estimates say over 70%, are capable of producing light. Not some, not a few, most. By biomass, bioluminescent life is remarkably prevalent throughout the ocean water column. By depth, glowing life is found throughout the vast majority of ocean volume. One krill swarm can span 100 square kilometers, every krill in it glowing. Whole regions of ocean pulse with life we've never seen. If bioluminescence were visible from orbit, some of Earth's oceans at night would show a faint glow. Blue, cyan, violet, faint but everywhere. The smallest, dinoflagellates, a single cell. The largest, siphonophores, colonial, some longer than blue whales. 40 meters of light in a chain. Biological surveys keep raising the estimate. Every deep expedition finds more. The pattern is consistent. Below 200 meters, glowing is the default. The exceptions are the ones that don't glow. Most of what's alive on this planet you'll never see with your own eyes. And much of what's alive on this planet may be glowing right now. 500 meters below you, blue, green, cyan, for 500 million years, before trees existed, before land plants photosynthesized, before flowers. Life on Earth has been making its own light for longer than trees have existed. We've mapped less than a quarter of the ocean floor at meaningful resolution. Every expedition finds new species. Oceanographers report seeing unknown glow patterns, light behaviors we can't identify. Bioluminescent taxonomy is being rewritten decade by decade. The unexplored regions are enormous. Thousands of new species are described by scientists every year. Most of them we've only seen once. This episode described the tip of a tip. You've now seen the light they make. Next, the darkness they hide in. The deepest place on Earth, deeper than Everest, is tall, 11 kilometers straight down. Kestrinin is. The pressure would crush a submarine in seconds. The Mariana Trench. Only a handful of humans have ever reached the bottom. Only 3. Fewer than have walked on the moon. And even there, even at 11 kilometers, life glows. Species we barely have names for. The ocean is largely dark. Over 80% remains unexplored. Life invented light, sensing many times over just to survive there. And we've barely started counting the species.